Hello friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to JT Tech. Today in another video guys, we have come with another amazing and unique trick for you. And guys, in this video I will be showing you how you can use the internet on flight mode. Guys, in this video today I will be showing you a latest Android settings that most of you don't know. With these settings you can be able to turn on your flight mode, and also you can be able to use the internet when your flight mode is turned on. You can be able to use the YouTube, you can chat online while your flight mode is turned on. So guys, here without wasting any much time, let's get started with me. And guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing, you have to make sure that your data is turned on. This is the first thing I'm going to be doing. We have to make sure that your data is turned on. So guys, once your data is turned on like this, the next thing I'm going to be doing here, we have to go to our dial pad. I have a secret code that will be helping us today to be able to use the internet while on flight mode. And guys, the secret code is *#4636 ##. Then you're gonna add another star again like this. And guys, once you dial that code like this, here we're gonna get this pop-up. And guys, the next thing I'm gonna be doing here you just have to click on this. We have phone information, we have usage statistics, and we also have Wi-Fi information. So here we're going to click on the first interface, which is phone information. All right guys, here we click on phone information like this, and guys, as you can see, it will be opening like this. All right guys, the next thing I'm going to be doing, before here you have to make sure that you turn off your flight mode. Guys, as you can see, I've already turned off my flight mode. So guys, as you can see, my flight mode is already turned off. Guys, as you can see here, my flight mode is already turn on. So guys, the next thing we're going to be doing here, we have to come back to this interface, and here we have to scroll down. And guys, as you can see here, we have radio power, mobile radio power, mobile radio power. So guys, here you enable your mobile radio power like this. And guys, after you enable your radio power, mobile radio power, you have to go back. For instance, let's test this on YouTube to see if we can be able to watch any YouTube video or not. So guys, as you can see, our YouTube has been open, and we can be able to open any video. For instance, let's go back to my other YouTube account to watch and to try to open any video to see if the video will play or not. For instance, let's text this video to see. So guys, as you can see, this video has been open, and guys, as you can see, you can be able to watch any YouTube video. Not only YouTube video, you can be able to browse online. For instance, let's go back to google.com to see if we can be able to browse online while our flight mode is turned on. So guys, let's go to google.com to see if it's gonna open or not. So guys, as you can see, our Google has opened, and don't forget our flight mode is turned on. Let's open Facebook to test to see if we can be able to use Facebook or not. So guys, as you can see, this is our Facebook, and guys, as you can see, it has opened. So guys, here for instance, here we can be able to watch any video from Facebook while our while our flight mode is being turned on. So guys, this is how you can be able to use this trick. If you have any question on this, please drop a comment on the comment box. If you found this video to be helpful to you, please hit on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so you don't miss any amazing tricks every day on this channel. Thanks for watching guys, and do have a wonderful time.